In this section, you learned the fundamentals of threat hunting, starting with understanding its importance in identifying and mitigating potential cyber threats proactively. We covered the basic principles and methodologies that form the foundation of effective threat hunting, including indicators of compromise and tactics, techniques, and procedures. Building on this foundation, you explored AI tools for proactive threat hunting. You learned how artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance threat detection capabilities by analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and predicting potential threats. Key tools and their functionalities were discussed, showcasing how they integrate into existing security frameworks to bolster threat hunting efforts. Theoretical frameworks for AI-driven threat hunting were then introduced, providing a deeper understanding of how AI models are developed, trained, and implemented in threat hunting scenarios. You delved into the intricacies of supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning as they apply to cybersecurity, gaining insights into model accuracy, training data quality, and the importance of ongoing model evaluation and adjustment. Real-world case studies and examples were presented to illustrate the practical application of the concepts and tools discussed. These case studies highlighted successful instances of AI-assisted threat hunting, demonstrating how theoretical knowledge translates into actionable strategies. Through these examples, you were able to see the tangible benefits and outcomes of employing AI in threat hunting workflows. Finally, you examined the limitations and challenges associated with AI-driven threat hunting. You learned about potential obstacles such as data quality issues, adversarial attacks on AI systems, and the need for human oversight. This section emphasized the importance of a balanced approach, combining AI capabilities with human expertise to overcome these challenges and enhance overall effectiveness. Throughout these lessons, you have acquired a comprehensive understanding of the basics of threat hunting, the role of AI tools, theoretical frameworks, practical applications, and the challenges faced. This knowledge equips you with the skills to implement and refine AI-driven threat hunting strategies in your own cybersecurity practices.